Here we have the HP Omen gaming laptop 16.
In this video, we'll be talking about the build and quality of this laptop, specifications, screen size, the battery life, and connectivity. And at the end of the video, we're going to be giving you a recommendation, so stay tuned.
This is HP Omen gaming laptop 16. It has black finishing and it is flexible laptop. This system is Intel Core i9 processor, 16 gig DDR5, and it also has 1 TB SSD storage device. GeForce RTX 3050 6GB graphics. The screen size is 60.1 IPS LED display. This laptop can last you 3 to 4 hours, depending on usage. This system has different ports: 3 USB, 2 Type-C, 1 HDMI, 1 SD, 1 audio jack, and charger ports.
If you are a graphic designer, video editor, or you are a 3D artist, this HP Omen Gaming Laptop 16 is the perfect game for you. So to get this laptop, you can walk into any of the Harmony stores here in Lagos or JABI, Abuja. And don't forget, you can also shop online at www.harmonystores.ng. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Until then, stay tuned.